Hey, friends, welcome back to the JJ's Declutter podcast. I'm Julie.
And I'm Janis. And today we've got something ridiculously fun.
But it's also very on brand for us. We're turning a classic fairy tale upside down, Declutter style.
That's right. Today we bring you The Princess and the Pea Under the Fitted Sheet. A tale of royalty, restlessness, and one major mystery in the guest bedroom.
Get comfy, friends. This story might just inspire your next linen closet makeover.
So let's set the scene. Once upon a time, in a land not so far away, just a few clicks past Pinterest and a scroll through Clean Talk, there lived a queen.
But not just any queen. She was the queen of clean. She could sniff out dust bunnies from 3 rooms away.
Her son, the prince of procrastinated projects, was finally ready to settle down. But the queen had high standards.
She didn't care about crowns or castles. She wanted someone who could fold a fitted sheet without breaking into a cold sweat.
Her royal motto: if you can't clean it, you can't keep it.
Chapter 2. One stormy night, a knock echoed through the minimalist entryway. A young woman stood outside, soaked from head to toe, clutching a reusable shopping bag.
She claimed to be a princess, but she had no tiara, just a well-organized toiletries pouch.
The queen saw potential, but she had to be sure.
So she devised a test. In the guest bedroom, she stacked 20 mattresses, each freshly aired out and vacuumed. Underneath the bottom fitted sheet, she placed a single rogue dryer sheet.
Not a dryer sheet.
A scented one, Lavender Breeze.
Oh, the princess climbed the stack and tried to sleep, but all night she tossed and turned. Something's off, she whispered.
Chapter 3, Breaking Down the Chores. Let's pause right here because the guest room setup, it's basically a spring cleaning checklist.
All right, let's break that down. First up, changing the bed sheets.
If you haven't washed your sheets in the last week or two, this is your royal reminder.
Pro tip, please keep at least 3 full sheet sets per bed. One's on the bed, one's in the wash, and one is folded.
Or trying to be folded. Which brings us to
dun, dun, dun. Folding the fitted sheet. Okay, we'll walk it through step by step.
Chapter 4, How to Fold a Fitted Sheet. So step 1, lay the sheet inside out lengthwise. Put one hand in each corner of one of the short sides.
Oh, gotcha. Step 2, fold one corner over the other, tucking it inside. Now do the same with other corners.
So you're doing this one over here and this one down here.
Gotcha.
You've got a long rectangle.
Okay.
Step 3, now you have a wonky rectangle. Lay it on a flat surface like a bed. You know what I mean? That's the biggest flat surface you probably have, unless you're going to do it on the floor. And smooth it into a nice square.
Step 4, you're going to fold it into thirds, then into a rectangle. Boom! Royal linen closet status achieved.
Or you just roll it up and pretend it's a throw pillow. We don't judge.
We don't judge.
Chapter 5.
Now back to our princess. Why couldn't she sleep?
Maybe it wasn't just the dryer sheet. Maybe she felt that the mattress hadn't been rotated in 6 months.
Exactly. Mattress care matters. Rotate your mattress every 3 to 6 months and vacuum it quarterly.
And don't even get us started on cleaning under the bed.
The true test of royalty: can you lie down at night knowing there are storage bins full of 2007 tax papers beneath you?
No shame if you can, but maybe it's time for a little under bed detox.
Chapter 6, the morning after. Morning came, and the queen asked the princess how she slept.
I'm so sorry, said the princess. I wanted to sleep, but I kept smelling something off. Maybe artificial fragrance? And I swear I felt a wrinkle in the bottom sheet.
The queen gasped. A wrinkle under the fitted sheet?
Tears filled her eyes. She's the one, she noticed.
Chapter 7, Lessons from the Laundry Basket. What can we learn from our poor, sleepless princess?
That a clean space really can help you sleep better. And noticing the little things isn't being picky, it's being intentional.
Also, keep your sheets fresh. Fold the fitted sheet like a boss. Vacuum your mattress and look under the bed.
You never know what might be hiding. Peas, dust bunnies, ex-boyfriend's hoodies.
Chapter 8, Listener Challenge. Here you go. Okay, listeners, this week's Royal Clean Challenge is
1. Change your bed sheets.
2. Fold your fitted sheet. Tag us if you do it. We want photos.
3. Clean under your bed and declare it a pee-free zone.
My bed's been a pee-free zone for a long time. Bonus points if you rotate your mattress and declutter your linen closet.
Ooh. Wait. You have another story relating to the Princess and the Pea. Yeah, it's called The Royal Flush Test, a shared bathroom surprise.
Okay. Just when the princess thought the test was over,
And she'd proven herself worthy by detecting a single dryer sheet under the fitted sheet.
the queen had one final challenge.
Oh no. Really?
Dun, dun, dun. It was time for the royal flush test.
Now, in this castle, there were 3 guest rooms, but only one shared bathroom.
Oh, and while the princess thought she had room to herself, the queen had secretly invited 2 other potential princesses to stay overnight as well.
What unfolded next was part beauty pageant, part bathroom etiquette nightmare.
Oh, the unspoken test. Here's what the queen was really watching for. Who left toothpaste globs in the sink? Who wiped the mirror after splashing? Who hung their towel? Who left it in a sad pile on the floor?
It wasn't a hotel, you guys. And perhaps more importantly, who brought their own toiletries instead of borrowing the queen's fancy shampoo?
What our princess got right, 'Cause she passed with flying colors. She did all the right things. She brought her own little toiletry pouch. She had a labeled towel hook with her initials, and she used a linen spray afterward that made the bathroom smell like a spa.
She even left a little post-it note saying, "Bathroom's all yours."
I mean, come on. That's royalty right there.
What the others got wrong. Let's just say the other guests didn't do so well.
Ah, for sure. There was a rogue eyelash or eyelash curler on the toilet tank.
A very suspicious puddle near the sink.
Ooh, and one poor soul used the Queen's limited edition soap bar. You know, the one shaped like a seashell that is never meant to be touched.
Bathroom survival tips for real life. Okay, friends, time to bring it back to real life because shared bathrooms can totally cause drama, especially during holidays or guests staying over.
Or, if you have siblings. Just saying. So let's run through just a few shared bathroom survival strategies. So, my tips: prep a guest bathroom caddy with mini shampoo and soap and floss and toothbrush and those little things. Just have a little caddy that you can have in the guest bathroom. Keep a pack of disposable hand towels for guests, and use drawer dividers or labeled bins if you're sharing space long term.
Now, my tips are assign towel colors or hooks for each person. Use a shared bathroom rules card. It's fun and cute and it's not bossy. And keep a guest go bag nearby, stocked and ready to go.
In the end, our princess proved that she was not just royalty. She was respectful, tidy, and intentional.
And that's what makes a true queen in our book.
So whether you're sharing a bathroom, folding a fitted sheet, or dodging dust bunnies under the bed, you've got this.
Thanks for sticking around for our bonus fairy tale twist. Let us know, do you have a shared bathroom strategy or a guest bathroom horror story?
Drop it in the comments or send us a DM. We might want to share it in a future episode.
Well, that's it for today's fairy tale, friends. Remember,
keep it simple,
keep it intentional,
and as always, keep decluttering. We will see you again for another fractured fairy tale with the JJs because we're really having fun. We hope you are too.
And we're together.
We're in the same room.